Warning, warning, this is an advertisement. Nah, not really. No. But hey, this is my crafting station. And I know you guys, you have the most awesome crafting stations of crafting station companies. I know. But as you already know, I like to craft everywhere, mostly outside. So I always bring my essentials because it was very common that when I started crafting, I forgot something again and again and again and again and again and again and again. So I kept on walking in and out of the house. So that had to end. So here's my little crafting station. If I have this with me, I know I don't have to walk in and out for everything I forgot. I have my essentials and I think I am able to craft whatever I want to craft with what I have here, along with my proxxon machine, of course, with my hot wire cutter. But most essential for me are my scalpel knives, my small pencils, sharp and blunt, my needle cushion, and then we have, of course, a puntenslijper, which is Dutch for, well, you know. I have my texturing cylinders, which I use a lot. Depending on what I build, of course, I have wood glue available, mostly upside down, because it comes out more quickly. If not, I have my glue gun. I have, apart from scalpel knives, I have X-Acto knives, or how do you call it? Zzz knives. And a lot of strange hooks and files, always pliers for changing blades and stuff. And this is my whole selection of nail files, very strange files. No, not for nails, but getting into corners. And oh, this is a fun thing. I rarely use it, but it's so much fun. It's the tiniest knife you can imagine. Not sure if you can see it. It's teeny tiny, but it's razor sharp. It comes as a pen. And this is great for working in corners and get stuff out or whatever. So that's a cool thing. And here's some spare blades, etc, etc. So this is my little crafting station. It's just for fun. No, it's not like, hey, you have to have this, but I have to have it because, as I said, I like to craft everywhere. So that's short for, okay. Thank you for looking. Sorry for wasting your time. Bye.